Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video. Before I go any further, I want to tell y'all don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a head wrap tutorial today. I have my hair in a basic like ponytail, and I'm using a half a wig, and I have it pinned down, and I have a headband just to hide the band of it. The first style I'm going to be doing is just like just a ponytail with the hair going to the side. I'm going to be using this scarf. Got it from Dollar Tree. All the scarves that I'm using today I got from Dollar Tree. They have some nice scarves in there. Basically what you do is you put the scarf on your head. You get it as close to where your hair bow is for the ponytail, so it will sit down flat, and make sure that it's pulled down in the back. Do that on both sides. And there are two ways you can do this to like get it like at the front. You could either do it like this, like wrap it across. And after you tie it in the back, you just twirl it around and tuck it inside of the scarf. And you do that on both sides. And just pull it down in the back. And tease your hair. And that's it for the first style. And I'm back with it's the same style, but I'm going to do it a different way than I did the first one. But this time you're just going to put the scarf on the same way I did in the first clip. And this time you're just going to tie it. But be careful how tight you tie it, because you can get a headache. It's just the same style, like going to the side in a ponytail. And it doesn't matter how you have your ponytail. It doesn't have to be neat or anything, because you're covering it up. Anybody can do this. And you do the same thing. You tie it. That's how it looks, and you just tuck it to hide the headband. And you can just leave out some baby hairs. Make sure that your edges are straight, smooth. I love head wraps because it's something that's quick and easy. And it doesn't take a lot of time. You can just do your hair and go. Just tease it a little bit to give it some style. And this next style is like a pineapple ponytail. You just keep the same ponytail from the other clips. And you just tuck it and shape it. You could pin it down to make sure it's not too much on your face, on your forehead, and your eyes. Alright. And the next scarf I'm going to be using is this animal print one. I love this color. You basically do just about the same thing. Put the scarf as close to the ponytail, the hair bow as you can get it. And you tuck it under the ponytail. And make sure you pull your headband down in the back because you don't want it to be looking foolish from the back. And you just tie it around. I gotta fix this. It's in my eyes. You do the same thing, twist it, and then tuck it under the scarf. Gonna be looking like Little Richard. Gotta put my glasses on so I can see. decided to fix this in the front a little bit. That's it for this style. Okay, the last style and the last scarf is this animal print color. It's a grayish black. It's just a basic bun. I just wrapped it around and put a hairpin in it. Basically, you do the same thing. You just put the scarf as close as you can get it to the hair bow of your ponytail. But this scarf is a little short, so I can't do that. So just make sure you get it as close as you can. And do the same thing. Just tuck it. You could either do like I've been showing you. Wrap it around and tuck it into your scarf. And make sure you tuck it as tight as you can, and to make sure that none of the scarf is hanging out. You want it to look neat. That's one way to do it. And the other way is to wrap it around. Wrap it around the bun. You can tie it because that'll make it stay better. You'll have something to work with. Okay. So you spread the scarf apart. Make sure it's pulled down in the back. And wrap it around your bun. You do it the same way on both sides. And your bun doesn't have to be perfect. You just make sure you tuck the scarf. Just pull it down some. If you want, you can try to get it. You see, I gotta do my bun again. You could use a hair bow. make it tighter and stay better. You don't have to use anything at all. You gotta get this right. Can't be half-stepping. And you just wrap it around. That's it for my head wrap tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Bye.